Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got two of these 2022 UFC Optic hanger packs. Retail on these is about 20 bucks a piece. So I'm not gonna lie, these are pretty expensive. Panini, you guys need to lower your prices. But anyway, you get 3 hanger pack exclusive parallels per pack on average. Look for retail exclusive photon parallels. Once again, there's the cover. Got 2 of these. So without further ado, let's get into the first one. So we got Marab Valishvili. I'll probably butcher that. Base there. Rafael Dos Anjos or Anjos. Base there. We got Carla Esparza. We got Magomed Ankalaev. I'm sorry if I butcher these. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know much about UFC. We got Calvin Qatar. We got Jared Cannon at EA. Brock Lesnar. We got Surreal Game. Mark Coleman. We got Kamzat Chimaev. This is one of our parallels here. Then we got Giga or Gaga Chikadze. I'm sorry if I butchered that. It's another one of our parallels. Then we got Jerry Prochazka. Then we got a nice little insert here. We got Stargazing Juliana Pena. Then we got another insert here. We got Patty Pimblett rookie Dominators insert. Throw that to the hits. And then we got Petcher Yawn. So that'll do it for the first pack. On to our second pack. So we got Glover Texera base. We got Cara France. We got Tyler Santos. Max Holloway. Dominic Cruz. Arnold Allen. Marina Rodriguez. We got Askarov. Once again, I apologize if I'm butchering these. We got a rated rookie, Ian Gary. Pretty nice there. Throw that to the hits. We got Conor McGregor. We got Michael Chandler here. Then we got Bruce Buffer. Another one of our parallels. We got a My House insert, Rose Nama Hunis. We got a Stargazing Aljamain Sterling. And then we got a Dominator's Petter Yarn. So like always, we're going to go over the hits. So we got the Dominator's Petter Yarn. We got the Stargazing Aljamain Sterling. The My House Rose Nama Hunis. We got the Bruce Buffer blue here. We got the Michael Chandler blue here. We got the Conor McGregor parallel. The rated rookie Ian Gary. We got the Dominators rookie Paddy Pimblett. Stargazing Juliana Pena. Got the Jerry Prochazka blue. The Gija Chikadze parallel there. And then we got the Chimaev. I probably butchered that. Like always, check out my eBay. Like, comment, share, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.